Okay, this is Larry coming to you with a new video. I'm going to put this lens cover on. I'm going to show you how to replace. This has got a lens cover on it already. The first thing you want to do is just get you a flathead screwdriver and these little buttons. Flip it up in there, pull it out, and then you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these little tabs that you're going to have to pull out. And then down here, there's snaps that are right here and across the bottom. You're not going to have to pull those snaps out completely. So once you pop that little button out, you want to lift it up, and then this will come out. Pull it out. Now you just pull it forward enough to where you can slide that out. And then you take your new one and you slide it in here, drop it in. I don't take this tape off. If you do, then it's going to glue itself to the Jeep. Don't really need to do that. Because once you push it forward, it's not really, or push it back, it's not really going to move. You can drive around with it in place, and you're good to go. These have little tiny, I don't know if you can see it, there's only one way you can really put these in here, back in here, and then they snap in. And these just slide in. I'd show you putting them all on, but I've lost most of mine. So that's how you put the lens covers on your Jeep. Now I have a matching set instead of one purple and one blue. And the lights come through without a problem. Thank you for watching.